Hi, welcome back to another tutorial on how to use OpenDashboard. This is Sam Femi, and in this video I'll be showing you exactly how to save yourself the stress of going to your WordPress site to write content so that it will go out on your blog post. So if you're looking at consistency for your blog post, you want to be dishing out valuable content on a weekly basis or twice in a week, twice in a month, you can use the open dashboard to do that, and I'll be showing you that in this video. So the first is you need to understand that open dashboard is for both individual and business. So in this video I'll be tackling both for the individual and also for the business. So if you're a business, this is going to work for you, and if you're a personal brand or you're an individual, this is definitely going to also work for you. So before we go ahead, please hit the like and the subscribe button, and then we can get started from there. So first, let me tackle the individual aspect of this. So if you're an individual coming to use Open Dashboard to automate your blog post, you just need to sign up and then install the template, which I'll be showing you everything. So you just need to give Open Dashboard your title and your blog description, and it will generate the content for you, and then you can send it out to your blog post, to your WordPress, and then review it on your WordPress before you publish it. You can also give it direct access to publish without you reviewing it, depending on what you want. If you want to review your content, the AI content, you can actually review it before it goes out. And if you don't want to review it, you can also just push it directly and it goes out, depending on how you want the workflow to go. So if you're a business, that's the second part. If you're a business, it's those that you don't want all your staff to have access to your WordPress or your site just to for security reasons. You can have them on the open dashboard as a business, and then all they need to do is what, use the template and then the workflow. They install the template and then they give the workflow, the topic, the blog topic, and the description, and then it generates it, and then they send you the owner the approval link. Then you approve the content, and it goes straight to your WordPress without even any stress or giving them access to your WordPress. So, and then you can also review it yourself, looking at the content before it goes out. So I'll be showing you all that in this video. So AI is here to save us the stress, and this is your chance to use AI to help you and your business to scale. And business scaling, and how to scale in business, is by building systems that don't need you to be there at all the time, or don't need more hands on deck, so that you can do more of the critical work and the thinking, and then you can give all this other part of the business to AI to automate. And this is why Open Dashboard is here for you. So let's get started. Once you're on the Open Dashboard.app, you just go straight to sign up. For me, I've signed up, so I'll just log in now. So I'm going to be using Google to log in. So it's going to tell me welcome. All right, so it's going to take me to one of my workspace. On this open my workspace, I have three workspace. You can see them at the top left. We have Seamless Life Africa, Sam Femi, and Seamless Life Tribe. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be using Sam Femi, my personal brand, to run this tutorial. So first, if you're looking to automate your blog post, if you want AI to automate, write the content for you, and then Open Dashboard sends it directly to your blog without any hassle, then this is for you. So once you've logged in and once you've signed up, I actually created a video. So I created a video on everything you need to know about Open Dashboard. You should check the description, and also check my channel. You should find the video. So it covers all you need to know about Open Dashboard. So this tutorial is basically focused on how to automate your blog post and using AI and Open Dashboard. So let's get started. First, you go to templates. So once we are template right now, So you go to marketing. So we go to marketing. So you can see the template here, AI blog post automation. So right here, I'll click on it. So once I click on it, I can preview it. So you can preview it. So let's quickly preview that. So once we've previewed it, you can see the overview and how to install it and how to use it. So this will guide us on how to use it. So for now, I will keep this page open so that we can go through it together step by step. So that when it's your turn, you won't have any issues. So we keep this tab open for you. So let's install this. You can check the top right corner. You can see the install button. So I'm just going to click on that, install. So I'll choose the workspace to install this, which is Samfemi. So I'll install it in this workspace. So once I've installed it, it's going to load, pop up. Then we click on next. Yes, database, the workflow. This is the workflow that we use to send the submission to our website. Then we click on continue. Then we start the installation. Then we've installed it, and then that's all majorly. So once you've installed it, you get an overview, which we saw while we're previewing. So this is the whole content you need to install the blog submission and the workflow. So we'll go through it one after the other. So for now, the first thing is to install. We can see the installation and setup. The first thing is to install the template, which we have done. We've installed the template, and then the next is edit the workflow to update the WordPress URL. So now we're going to go to the workflow. So you can see the workflow at the left. So this is the workflow. You right click on it. So I want to open this in a new tab. So we'll see the workflow. It's loading. All right. So we have the workflow here. So what you're going to do is click on the workflow. I'm going to pick one of them. So I've done more than one tutorial on this. So that's why we have 3. But if you're doing it for the first time, you're just going to have 1. So I'll click on this blog submission. So we're on the second step now. We're asked to change the URL. So you're going to come to this step on your workflow. This is the workflow that that helps you in submitting and doing all the whole work. So the first one, you can see AI generates content, and then the next thing is to create the post in your website, and then the whole workflow, the approval. This is where you approve the link so that it goes to your website, and then the rest is once the post is approved, it gets published on your website, and then it goes out. So but for now, all we need to do first is click on this create post in website. So first I'll edit this template. So I'll click on create post in website. So we're told to change this URL. You can see the URL here. So all you have to do is change this to your website. For me, this is my website, samfemi.com. So once I've changed that, I'll only change this part of the URL, just this part, to my website, which is samfemi.com. Once I've done that, then I'll close it. Once I've closed it, then I can publish it. So I'll publish the workflow. So I've published it. So now we'll go back to our step. So after we've done the step 2, which is to change the URL on the WordPress. So the third step is to generate an application password. So to generate this, we need to go to our WordPress dashboard, go to users profile, scroll down to application password section, and add a new application password. So let's do this quickly. So we go to the URL. So you have to log into the admin part of your website. So once you've logged into the admin part, you go to users. You can see the users here on the left. So you click on profile. So users profile. So once you click on profile, you scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Then you can see application passwords. So we have application password. So you write, for me, I'll just put open dashboard. So once I've written open dashboard 2, then I'll add the application password. So you can see your new password for open dashboard 2 is this. So you have to copy this. Once you've copied this, you can save it in your notes, or you can just copy it and go straight back to step 4. So for step 4, we're asked to go to the authentication header generator. So we're going to visit this site. So I'm just going to click this and open it in the new tab. So let's open this now. So once you come to this part, the username, it's going to ask you to input a username. So your username is going to be the username on your WordPress. So for me, my username is my email, so I'm going to put that here. So that's my username. Then the password will be the password we just copied from the profile and the application password. So I'm going to paste that here. So this is the authorization header. So you're going to copy this code generated. So once you've copied it, you go back to your open dashboard. So we're going to go to step 5 now. Step 5, add basic token to workspace secret. So go to settings, click on secret, add new secret. So we're going to go back to this, our open dashboard. We're going to go to settings. So once you go to settings, you see secrets here. So I'm going to click on secrets. So once I click on secrets, then I'm going to add a new secret. So you're going to paste the value you copied from the authenticator generator, paste it here. So once you've pasted it here, then you could go back to the setup. You can see they told us to use this as the name of the secret. So I'm just going to copy this instead of typing it. So I'll copy this now and go back and then paste it here as the name. So I'll save that. Once I've saved it, so it shows automatically here. So you can see it here, the WP basic header. I've done this before, that's why it's asking me to use a unique name. So we have this already. That's the WP basic header, which has been done. So once you've added this, let's go back to our steps. So I think we've saved the secret. So now the next is to go back to our workflow and use our workflow. So since we've activated our workflow, we just need to go to submit post suggestion. So let's go back to open dashboard. Let's go back to our profile. So you come down to your database, and then you come down to post. You can see post here. So this is a template we installed. So you click on submit post suggestion. This is the submit post suggestion. So you can see it here. So we click on that. So I'm going to look for a title now. So what title should I use? Why should businesses use open dashboard? Why should businesses and personal brands use open dashboard? So the description, I'm going to describe the post for AI. So I need you to write a 2,000-word blog post on why businesses and personal brands why business and personal brand should use the Open Dashboard app. Break it down into introduction, speak to businesses first, and then personal brands. So you know that your AI output is actually as is just as powerful as your prompt. So you need to be good at prompt engineering. So you can learn about prompt engineering on YouTube or any platform. And I also share I shared a blog post on that on prompt engineering. So you can read my blog post on my website. And if you want me to drop a video on that, you can also just comment that I should drop a video on prompt engineering. So, and if you've not subscribed yet to my channel, this is the opportunity for you to subscribe, because I drop videos on marketing, on how to live a seamless life, and also tech related videos. So just subscribe and you find a lot of videos valuable for you. So let's write our description. So break it down into the introduction, speaking to business first, and then personal brand, then break it into sections. Also write as if you are speaking to one person. Write as if you're speaking to one person. Write as if you're speaking to one person. Tackling their major pain points and how Open Dashboard can solve that. So end the blog post with a link to sign up on the website OpenDashboard.app. So I'm going to come here, assuming you are a blog and SEO expert with over 10 years of experience. I need you to write a 2000. So I think we are good, just to save the stress and the time. So once you're done with the description, you can click on submit. So the record has been created. So this will go straight to your WordPress. So let's go back to our step-by-step guide. So submit post suggestion, we've done that. AI content generation. Once the title and description are submitted, AI will generate the content for your blog post based on the information provided. Post creation and email notification. After the content is generated, the post will be automatically created on your WordPress site. You will then receive an email with the link to review the post and approve it before it published. So you will get an email notification, and then you can go to your WordPress to review and edit your content before you publish it. So you can just go back to your site, simply log into your site and review your content. You can even make changes to it and also add image to your content whatever you want to add to your content. You can add more links, more image to it, and remove the parts that you don't want on your content. So once you're satisfied with the content, click on the approval link sent to your email. This will trigger the post to be officially published on your WordPress site. So once you've done all the changes that you want to do, you can go back to your email and then click on the link, and then it will go straight to your WordPress site published. Once everything is set up and the workflow is triggered, the AI will take care of generating the blog content, allowing you to focus on reviewing and approving the posts before they go live. So this is the work of this automation. It helps you to generate the content and gives you the opportunity to review it and also approve it before the post will go live. So let's quickly check my WordPress to see if the content is there. So I'm going to go to my post, all posts. You can see it here at the top. It has been created. Why should business and personal brand use OpenDashboard? So I'm going to click on preview or edit. So let's preview it first. So you can see it. It's already here. Why should businesses and personal brand use OpenDashboard? So I need to edit this. So that it can work for me. So let me go back to the WordPress and edit this. So I won't be doing that on this video just to save time. You can always edit it to what you prefer. So this is where you edit the content. You can see the content here. So I can edit it to my taste and then get it published. So once I'm done, I can go to my email and approve the video itself, or the content itself. That's the blog post to my WordPress site. So that's majorly how to use the AI blog post submission on OpenDashboard. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment and I'll be glad to assist you with it and to help you navigate your problems or your challenges. Thank you for watching the video and thank you for staying till now. Hope to see you in my next video, and also please like, subscribe and support the channel. Thank you and bye for now.